Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a delicious and indulgent vanilla ice cream sundae with chocolate brownies and cherry sauce. This is the perfect sweet recipe for the warm summer days. For this recipe, I'll be using some fresh cherries which are in season now, some shop-bought chocolate brownies with glacé cherries, shortbread biscuit and chocolate chunks. You can see the cherries and the biscuit and the chocolate chunks in this brownie up close. 2 tablespoons of French brandy and Italian vanilla ice cream. Let's begin the recipe by making the cherry sauce first. Put the cherries in a saucepan on low flame. Put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into the saucepan as well as the brandy. Do put in a bit of water as well and then simmer on a low flame till the cherries become softer. And when the cherries are soft, you can see that they are getting quite soft now. And when they are soft, you can easily take the pips out of the cherries and discard them. And then let your cherry sauce cool down. Let's arrange the ice cream sundae now in a dessert glass. Put the brownies in first, followed by 3 large scoops of vanilla ice cream. Spoon the cherry sauce all over the ice cream. It looks beautiful. Sprinkle some chocolate nibs on top. Glam up this pretty dessert with some cherries on top, and our beautiful, delicious and very indulgent ice cream sundae is ready to be served. Try this very easy but absolutely fabulous dish for a special summer treat. Enjoy!